All right, so you left your coffee. You left your coffee on top of your car, and the question is, what is the maximum acceleration you can have, and not lose your coffee, but to having it slide off because you accelerated too much. This includes braking, by the way, which is where you're probably going to lose your coffee. I actually had a spectacular accident in grad school where I hit a pothole and it sent my car into a spin, and I spun more than one time around. I spun about 1.5 times around, ended up facing the wrong way in the median, and because I was going along at 65 miles an hour, and suddenly my left front tire wasn't going anywhere. And my coffee was sitting at the center of mass of my car on the dash. So my whole car was spinning around the spot where my coffee was. And I actually watched this happen, and it was hilarious. I mean, yeah, fortunately it was very early in the morning and I was the only one on the road. So it was hilarious watching this. My coffee cup was spinning and coffee was slinging out, and I had a line of coffee all the way around the car, just where it just spun out. Okay, so here you've got your coffee cup sitting on your car. And we know the mass of the coffee, right? 0.943 kilos. And we know the coefficient of static friction, μs. Static friction because it's not moving, right? 0.728. And so we're asked, what is the most you can accelerate? We're going to ignore wind, other contributions, right? Well, what's the maximum force your coffee cup can take before you overcome static friction? Well, static frictional force, the maximum it can be is μs times mg, because we're assuming your car top is flat. Mg is the normal force, μs mg. This is the most the force can be. What does that mean, the most the acceleration on your coffee cup can be? Well, F is ma, right? And so we just need to solve for acceleration. Acceleration is your static frictional force divided by the mass of your coffee cup. And it just ends up being μs times g. Really simple, right? We're ignoring the wind here. The wind could be significant if you're going down the road at any velocity, but otherwise, if you're not going to, if you're not really trying to peel out or more likely hit the brakes hard, you might not lose your coffee cup. Okay, that's it for this problem.